What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best flip phones that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Alcatel Go Flip 5 is a reliable and accessible flip phone designed for seamless connectivity. Its compact design, measuring 4.13 by 2.08 by 0.736 inches and weighing 4.16 ounces, offers easy portability. Featuring a classic flip design with a micro-textured back cover for added protection, the phone houses a 2.8-inch internal TFT LCD screen with a resolution of 240 by 320 pixels and a 4:3 aspect ratio. The device also includes an external square color display for quick access to time, date, connection status, and notifications. Under the hood, the Go Flip 5 is powered by a quad-core processor, 1 GB of RAM, and 8 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 32 GB via microSD card, running on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 210 1.1 GHz processor. It supports voice over LTE, HD voice, and voice over Wi-Fi, ensuring excellent call quality. Additionally, the phone offers a mobile hotspot feature, enabling users to share their connection with up to 10 devices. Designed for accessibility, the phone features large tactile keys, real-time text, text telephone, and hearing aid compatibility. It also includes a 2-megapixel camera for easy photo and video capture, positioned conveniently near the top when the phone is flipped open. The Go Flip 5 is equipped with a 1,350 mAh removable battery, providing up to 6.5 hours of talk time and up to 300 hours of standby time. While some users have reported minor software issues, others appreciate its simplicity and reliability, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a straightforward flip phone experience. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 stands at the forefront of innovation as the 5th generation of Samsung's Galaxy Z series smartphones. This foldable marvel redefines smartphone design with its expansive 7.6-inch interior display, delivering an immersive entertainment experience. Despite its large screen, the Z Fold 5 is surprisingly pocketable, thanks to its ability to fold closed. Available in captivating colors like ice blue, black, cream, blue, and gray, it combines style with functionality. Designed for power and portability, the Z Fold 5 boasts a lightweight build, weighing just 8.92 ounces. It supports the S Pen, enabling precise writing and drawing on its vast canvas. The phone offers a seamless multitasking experience, allowing users to stream, game, and multitask on up to 3 screens simultaneously, enhancing productivity. Under the hood, the Z Fold 5 features a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chip, 12 GB of RAM, and super-fast UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring smooth performance. The device runs on the Android operating system and offers extensive customization options to enhance the user experience. In the camera department, the Z Fold 5 features a 10-megapixel front camera on the cover screen and a concealed 4-megapixel under-display camera on the main screen, ensuring high-quality selfies and video calls. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 stands as a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a unique and immersive experience for users who prioritize large screens, multitasking capabilities, and cutting-edge technology. The Motorola Razr Plus redefined smartphone design with its innovative flip-style foldable phone, offering users a unique and versatile experience. Featuring a spacious 3.6-inch cover screen and an impressive 6.9-inch main display, it stands out as one of the best foldable phones in the market, boasting high-resolution cameras and more. A standout feature of the Razr Plus is its Flex View functionality, allowing users to position the phone at a 90-degree angle. This configuration turns the upper portion of the screen into a viewing area while the bottom part serves as intuitive controls, enhancing usability and flexibility. Motorola's software is meticulously crafted to optimize the Razr Plus experience when the phone is either open or closed. However, some users might find the software lacking in between these states, a minor drawback in an otherwise exceptional device. The phone's cameras are well suited for capturing casual photos and selfies, catering to users who enjoy documenting food, travel, and pet moments for social media. With a 3,800 mAh battery, the Razr Plus offers average battery life for a phone of its size, ensuring a reliable performance throughout the day. It's essential to note that the Razr Plus lacks the dust and water resistance commonly found in higher-priced phones. Therefore, users should exercise caution to protect the device in challenging environments. In summary, the Motorola Razr Plus stands as a testament to innovative design, providing users with a distinctive and adaptable smartphone experience. Its unique features, expansive displays, and high-resolution cameras make it an appealing choice for those seeking a blend of style and functionality in a foldable phone. The Oppo Find N2 Flip stands out as a foldable flip phone, offering a distinctive and versatile user experience. Its design includes a 3.26-inch cover screen and a spacious 6.8-inch foldable AMOLED display with an impressive 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth and vibrant visuals. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of internal storage, the phone delivers a powerful performance. Running on the Android operating system, it allows users to customize features and settings, enhancing the overall user experience. A key highlight of the Oppo Find N2 Flip is its Flex View, enabling users to position the phone at a 90-degree angle. In this configuration, the upper part of the screen transforms into a viewing area, while the bottom provides convenient controls. Additionally, the phone features a 3.26-inch cover screen, which serves various functions like checking notifications, controlling music, and taking selfies. The device boasts a 50-megapixel rear camera and a 32-megapixel front camera, capable of capturing high-quality photos and videos. Despite its advanced features, the Oppo Find N2 Flip offers a more affordable option compared to other foldable phones like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. In summary, the Oppo Find N2 Flip provides a unique and rewarding user experience at a more budget-friendly price, making it an attractive alternative in the foldable phone market. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 stands as a testament to innovation with its foldable design and a host of impressive features. At the core of this device is its 3.4-inch flex window, which supports enhanced widgets, extensive customization options, and an unparalleled selfie experience on a Samsung Galaxy smartphone. The device sports a 10-megapixel front camera, featuring a wider angle than its predecessor, complemented by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 12-megapixel wide camera. This setup ensures vibrant and sharp photos, selfies, and videos. One of the standout features is the new Flex hinge with a dual-rail design, significantly improving the Flex mode experience. The phone is available in chic mint, graphite, cream, and lavender colors, catering to diverse user preferences. The 3.4-inch cover screen enhances user convenience, allowing tasks like texting, snapping photos, editing, and sharing without the need to open the phone. Running on Android 13 and One UI 5.1, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 promises a seamless and user-friendly interface. Additionally, it boasts IPX8 water resistance and features an Armor aluminum frame, enhancing durability with increased drop and scratch resistance. In summary, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a powerful and innovative device, seamlessly blending a unique, compact design with a plethora of features that enhance the overall user experience, making it a standout choice in the foldable smartphone market.